Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Fluency Spoken English Center. I am Anirban, Spoken English Trainer and Pronunciation Coach. আমাদের নতুন ব্যাচ কিন্তু শুরু হচ্ছে 2025 এর জানুয়ারি থেকে জানুয়ারির ফার্স্ট উইক থেকে কিন্তু নতুন ব্যাচ আমাদের সেন্টারে শুরু হয়ে যাচ্ছে আপনারা স্ক্রিনে দেওয়া নম্বরে কল করে কিন্তু বিস্তারিত জানতে পারেন Now in this video we are going to be talking about the difference between step by step learning and learning all at once. What does that mean? I'll elaborate. Step by step learning means, for example, you learn a word today, you learn the meaning of the word tomorrow, and you'll put that word into practice the day after tomorrow. That's step-by-step learning. But I don't personally think it's very beneficial when it comes to learning English. It might really be beneficial in learning other things. It might be beneficial. But when it comes to learning spoken English, I don't personally believe it's very beneficial. I mean, you learn the word today, learn the meaning tomorrow, and learn to you put the word into practice the day after tomorrow. But there's a high chance that you'll forget. You'll keep forgetting. That's why it's not very beneficial to learn step by step in spoken English. Definitely, you cannot learn everything all at once. Everything will get messed up in your head if you do that. But there are certain things you'll have to do simultaneously to become fluent in English. Today, I'll provide you a step-by-step way to speak in English fluently. I expect all of you are able to construct sentences. I mean, all of you are able to write sentences, make sentences. That's an easy thing. It's taught in primary schools, right? When we were young, we have learned making sentences. I believe all of you can do that. It's really easy. And even if you don't do, please learn it. Without learning to make sentence, you won't be able to speak in English fluently ever. So let's expect that you know how to make a sentence. Now I need you guys to find a topic of your choice. I need you guys to find a topic of your choice. You must be interested in the topic you are searching for. We all have got our likes and dislikes. Find a topic. It can be anything. It can be anything. Find a topic which you are interested in, which you would like to talk about. Suppose you have found that topic. Now I want you guys to find words regarding that topic, words related to that topic. For example, let's take an example. For example, I want to talk about weather. Now imagine that I'm trying to collect words regarding or relating to weather. What are the words I'll collect? Hot, cold, rain, rainy, monsoon, winter, summer. These are the seasons. Other words for weather might be blossom, rainfall, snowfall, dry leaves. These are the kind of words which are related to weather, be it summer, winter, whatever. But generally, these are the words which are related to weather. I believe you have got some kind of an idea of the words or type of words you'll have to collect. Now, suppose you have collected all the words. Now, I want you guys to put these words into practice. I want you guys to use these words and make sentences regarding the topic you want to talk about. For example, I want to talk about weather and I've collected words regarding weather. Now, definitely, I'm not going to talk about library or school, right? I'm definitely going to talk about weather. So I want you guys to write sentences about the topic you are trying to talk about using the words you have just collected. I'll repeat it once again. I want you guys to use the words you have collected and make sentences about the topic you're going to talk about. I'm talking about weather, and I've collected words like rainfall, snowfall, rain, hot, cold. I'm going to make sentences using these words about weather. Now, suppose you have made 5 to 6 or maybe 10. 10 is a good number. You can make 10 sentences. Now, suppose you have made all the sentences. Now what? Now, I need you guys to read these sentences aloud a few times. Now, I want you guys to close the notebook where you have written all the sentences, or wherever you have written all the sentences. I want you guys to put that thing away from you, or otherwise you'll tend to see it. Now, I want you guys to take 2 minutes and remember the sentences which you have written. After 2 minutes, speak the sentences. Speak the sentences that you have written down. Try to remember the sentences you have written down and then try to speak the sentences without seeing them. I'm not at all asking you to memorize. I'm just asking you to try to remember the sentences, recall the sentences and speak them. Try speaking it in front of the mirror or the camera. You can do a very good activity which some of my students have done and sometimes I've also done. You can put your camera on and go on speaking about the topic which you have collected sentences about. And after that, you can check the recording to see your pace, see your fluency. This can be a very good way of self-assessment. You can check your fluency, your vocabulary, your pronunciation through this. Or you can send the video to your mentor for checking, for pointing out the mistakes you're making. That's a very good way. Now, this is a very, very good exercise which can really be beneficial for you guys. A lot of my students have practiced this and have really benefited from this. You can also benefit from this if you do it seriously. Do it regularly. You cannot excel in it in just one day. In one day, you cannot do anything perfectly. Keep on practicing it regularly and you'll see the change. You can also join our online spoken English classes. Check the description for information. আমাদের সেন্টারে কিন্তু অনলাইনে স্পোকেন ইংলিশ ক্লাসেস কন্ডাক্ট করা হয়। আমাদের ক্লাসেসগুলো কিন্তু গুগল মিটে কন্ডাক্ট করা হয় এবং স্যাটারডে আর সানডে কিন্তু ক্লাসেসগুলো থাকে যাতে সবাই অ্যাটেন্ড করতে পারে। আমাদের কারেন্ট যে ব্যাচ সেটার কিন্তু সিটস ফিল আপ হয়ে গেছে। নতুন যে ব্যাচ শুরু হবে সেটা শুরু হবে 2025 এর জানুয়ারি থেকে। জানুয়ারির ফার্স্ট উইক থেকে কিন্তু আমাদের নতুন স্পোকেন ইংলিশের ব্যাচ শুরু হবে। তাই যারা ইংলিশটা ভালো করে সঠিকভাবে শিখতে চাইছেন, খুব ভালোভাবে শিখতে চাইছেন, ফোনেটিক বেসড শিখতে চাইছেন, তারা কিন্তু আমাদের স্পোকেন ইংলিশ ক্লাস জয়েন করতে পারেন। অ্যাডমিশন কিন্তু চলছে। আমাদের সিটস কিন্তু খুব লিমিটেড থাকে কারণ আমরা প্রত্যেকটা স্টুডেন্টকে ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি ক্লাসে অনেক প্র্যাকটিস করাই। তাই প্রচুর স্টুডেন্টস নেওয়া আমাদের পক্ষে কিন্তু সম্ভব হয় না। আমাদের এখানে প্রেজেন্টেশন বেসড পড়ানো হয়। তাই আপনাদেরকে যে পাতার পর পাতা লিখে যেতে হবে এমন কোনো ব্যাপার নেই। সমস্ত নেসেসারি মেটেরিয়াল, পিডিএফ, লিসনিং ভিডিও আমাদের তরফ থেকে আপনাকে প্রোভাইড করা হয়। ফিজ আমাদের খুব সামান্য, আপনারা সবাই অ্যাফোর্ড করতে পারবেন। তাই যদি আপনারা ইংলিশটা ভালো করে শিখতে চান তাহলে কিন্তু ডেফিনেটলি জয়েন করতে পারেন। ক্লাসে আমি আপনাদের সাথে কথা বলবো, আমরা একসাথে ইংলিশে কনভারসেশন করবো আর আপনাদের ইংলিশটা ইমপ্রুভ করার চেষ্টা করবো। So that's all for today. We'll talk about such interesting things in another video later. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in another video. Thank you.